Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can AirPlay your iPhone to your Mac. This is to view your phone screen on your MacBook. Now there's two ways to do this. One is using AirPlay, which is wirelessly, and the second one is using a cable and QuickTime player on your Mac. So for AirPlay, if it works, is really simple. So both devices, your MacBook and your iPhone, need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. So you want to go to your settings on your MacBook and type in AirPlay, and if you see AirPlay receiver, then this should work, and make sure it's on. So anyone on the same network, everyone, I wouldn't recommend turning that on because that means anyone near your computer can AirPlay to it. Current user means only devices on your iCloud can cast this, so I'd leave it on anyone on the same network. Then on your iPhone, go to Control Center. You should see this little symbol here, click that. And your MacBook should just come up as what it is called. And as you can see, it's now come up, and everything I'm doing on my phone is now on my MacBook. So, if that doesn't work, or you want to do it with a cable, I'll show you how to do that now. I have a Type-C to C cable. So this method that I'm going to show you now actually works on older iPhones. So like, I think you could do this with like an iPhone 5. I don't know about a 4S, but yeah, this is how that works. So if we go to the Launchpad, go to search, and type in QuickTime player. And it will come up trying to find something, but just go to the top here and click File, click New Movie Recording. So on here, you have this little drop down, and then here's where you can decide to use your phone camera or your phone microphone to do your video recording. But here you go, you'll see screen. And that's, bedroom is my Apple TV, so I assume I can view my Apple TV screen on here. But you can click there, Charlie's iPhone 15 Pro. No. And now it's coming through with a cable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.